So guys, update ko lang kayo from Amsterdam Central Station. Meron namang daily trip going to different countries. Kasi papunta akong Germany, sa Berlin ako. So every 2 hours meron silang trip. And pwede kayo mag-intercity, pwede kayo mag-direct. So ang direct worth, walk-in lang naman ako. On the spot kumuha ako ng 183 euro. So ayan, nakakuha na ako ng ticket after 1 hour pa yung travel ko. So dating ko doon ng after 5 hours. So nandito muna tayo ngayon, relax lang muna habang nag-aantay. So ito yung mismo yung area, ito yung entrance. Meron namang mga nakalagay na screen para para updated tayo sa natin sa trip. So update ko kayo mamaya. Sige guys, bye-bye. So yung ticket kasi natin, meron siyang code, ayan i-swipe lang natin or scan lang natin dyan to papasok na tayo papunta doon para mag-antay na tayo sa waiting area. Ayan, may mga screen naman. And paglalabas ka din, yan din ang gagamitin mo para pang scan ng ng machine na yan para makalabas, makapasok. Sige guys, meron nga dito, meron naman dito mga guide na ayan signage. Ito yung sakayan dito. 13B, nakalagay naman yan sa ticket. Tapos dito tayo magantay para sa flight sa trip natin. At saka may mga nag-guide naman, kaya walang problema. So easy lang ang travel. Very smooth as of this moment. Thank you so much. Mag-rest muna ako. We still have 1 hour. So sa my train station naman sa Grand Central, meron naman siyang mga bilihan ng, alam mo yun, mga supermarket. Ayan yung mga prices ng mga sandwiches dito, salads. Maximum lang, ranging from 3 to 5 euros, 6 euros. Ayan Kung mahilig kayo sa sandwich, yan yung mga prices. So yung pagkain natin dito sa Amsterdam cost 17 euros. Ginamit ko lang yung ATM debit card ko. And sila ate, hello te, nakilala ko dito. Sasakay na din sila papuntang Paris. Namamansin naman sila matito. Yung iba kasi hindi as in, ang tataray. So update ko ulit ko yung mamaya. At ito na nga guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Duisburg station going to Germany, Berlin, kasi nasiraan or yung isa puno na yung train na kung saan kami nakabook. So ang ginawa namin, nag-stop over na lang kami para at least hindi kami ma-delay. Stop over na lang kami ng isang station after 2 hours from Netherlands. Then transfer kami ng isa pang train papuntang Germany sa Berlin para hindi na ma-delay. Kasi expected namin yung isang direct to Berlin, traffic din yun, puno din yun kasi na-cancel yung mga flight ngayon sa na-cancel yung mga flights sa Netherlands. So expected punuan. That's why my advice with you guys during our travel, so always expect the unexpected. Always ensure that you are ready for whatever things that's gonna be happen during your travel. Our total trip of travel journey from Amsterdam, Netherlands going to Berlin, Germany is supposed to have only 5 hours since we have a connecting trip from one train to another, so it took plus 2 hours, so total 7 hours. But actually guys, it's a worth it journey because you will see the landscape and views from the outside windows of the railway from Netherlands going to Berlin. And it's very common, always expect that there are some staff checking your ticket and passport valid ID. So we just arrived guys in Berlin Central Station. I think I have to go back. So I arrived Berlin Central Station in Germany for around 8 p.m. and in the station itself I immediately booked a hostel. And it's good that all hostels are just nearby from the train station. It's just walking 5 to 10 minutes away. Immediately when I reach the hostel, I will just put all my luggage and check in. After that, I have to go around by night in the city of Berlin. So that's always my habit whenever I will reach the country. I will not stay in the room. I have to go around and enjoy the location, enjoy the nightlife, and discover what they have during nighttime in the city itself. But before I went to my hostel, I just roam around the central station here in Berlin to know the accessibility, what things they have like locker where I can place my luggage just in case I'm going to the city, or else I also find out where I can buy a ticket for my next travel going to Switzerland here from Berlin Central Station. So when I found it out, I went to find a restaurant as well. There's a lots of restaurant in this central station of Berlin where there are a lots of affordable food and different choices of food actually. And of course, you will find Burger King, there are Indian restaurants, Indian food. It's different varieties of food you can find it here. And they will guide you where to go just in case you don't know the location of your hostel. You want to take bus or you want to take a transportation from outside, you can just ask them. And there are some also drivers or approaching you whenever you will go out from the central station and offer for a ride. So just bargain with them and just take extra precautions also. And whenever you are lost and you don't know where to go, you go to the information center wherein all their staff are very approachable and they are friendly. So overall guys, as per my personal experience of backpacking travel in Europe countries from Netherlands going to Germany, it's very safe, it's very smooth, and I love it. I love the journey. That's the best experience I also encountered in my travel, that I experienced such amazing journey, and it's a learnings, of course. Like what I said, tell, travel, enjoy, live, and learn. Because I know each one of us has different experience on our travel. So this is my raw experience that I'm sharing with you guys. So you will have an idea and you can adjust, you can modify your travel based on what you learned from me. Of course, there are some people will say that that is not how the way I traveled. Of course, that's your experience and this is my experience. In my travel, I maybe spend too much and some people will say they spend less. Of course, we have different perspective in how the way we travel. For me, since this is my first time and I believe that this is very accessible for me to have this kind of itinerary, so this
guys,
is what I did.
Nakakuha na ako ng ticket going to Switzerland. Dito lang kukuha ng ticket to. Nasa ground floor lang siya ng ng Berlin Central Station. So malapit lang yung hotel ko din, hostel ko. Abot ka lang, mga mabato nga lang eh. Tapos kuha kayo dito ng kung gusto niyo mag-walk-in, mura lang naman eh. 199 to 200 euros papuntang Zurich, Switzerland. So ito siya, mababait naman yung pwede kayo mag-ATM, debit card, credit card, or cash, pwede naman. So ayan lang malapit. Sige, bye-bye kasi gagala na ako.